After another night's sleep in the tent, we woke up to a misty morning. Martin and I took the opportunity to check out some of the interesting vehicles parked at the campsite. When the museum opened at 10 o'clock, we were out with the models. When the clock struck 12, it was time for the tracked vehicle demonstration, and we made sure to get a good spot this time. It started with a bang.
Her det er, når vi ser en masse køretøjer, der står ude på museet og rundt på en plads her. Og det synes også, I skal have lov at se køre. Så vi har den her lille præsentation, hvor vi kommer til at se både kampvogne og... Store drøm, som man har virkelig gjort herinde for det sidste.
After the show ended, it was once again time to fire up the models and drive around the excellent track that our Danish hosts have at the museum area. The 105 is a bit quiet, but it will have engine sound as soon as possible. Before we left for Denmark, I took the suspension apart and gave it stiffer springs. It did a lot for the drivability, and I think it moves and turns better now. It was then time for the reenactment show, where German, American and British forces fought it out, guns blazing. Normally, the Allied side would win, but this time things apparently ended a bit differently. This was, however, the best kind of war, where everybody survives and shakes hands afterwards. Right, so it's Sunday afternoon and we are heading home after a great weekend at Panzermuseum East and Military Days. We've seen tanks, we've seen reenactments, we have driven a lot of models. Normally the RSO is the model that runs for most of the time. This year it has been the Stridsvagn 105. I think the 105 has been running probably 90% of the time. It's still a bit of a test. Can you make a model this large with 3D printed parts? But so far it has held up great. Let's load the models in the car and head back home. Oh, I forgot the antennas. We got separated on the way to the ferry, and Lynn and I arrived first. There were merely minutes until the ferry would leave, and there was no sign of Martin and his Volvo. Martin is over there at the gate, buying tickets. Will he make it? So here's Denmark, over there, Sweden. Will Martin make it? There's the ferry. Martin is over there somewhere. There he is. Once again united, we followed the other cars into the belly of the ferry. It had been an awesome weekend, with so much fun, laughs and great moments. I hope some of the joy we had is shining through in this video. Thank you for staying till the end. Take care, until next time.